it's Mino from Mino Designs. I wish you all a very happy new year and I hope you had a wonderful holiday. So today's video will be on one of the recent pieces that I did. You can find out the final outcome of this on my Instagram profile, which I will link down below, and you will see it on the screen right now. So this is a quick mandala that took me around 2 hours to complete, and this was actually a gift to one of my family members for his birthday because he is a big time motocross fan and a motocross rider. So I thought this would be the perfect gift, so I started doing it. So initially I checked out some references from Pinterest, and then I traced it out on my paper, and then I'm sketching it out with the reference as you see here, and then I proceeded to draw the circles for the mandala grid, which you will see right now. And actually this took a little bit more time than I anticipated because I didn't have a solid plan going in. I just wanted to do something related to motocross. So once I was done with the grid, I just traced out the designs that I wanted to go in with my pencil, because that's how I usually do it. If you watched any of my previous instruction videos on how to draw mandalas, you can see how I draw the grid and how I proceed to draw a mandala. So do check them out if you haven't, which I will link all of that down below in my description box. This is actually the first video I'm doing for the new year because I took a little break and I thought, it's the perfect time to spend with family and friends. And yeah, I also had my product launch during the final week of December, which was exciting and also tiring at the same time. So I didn't have a lot of time to edit any videos, but I think this would be the perfect one to start off the new year because I loved it, and family member that I gifted it to loved it as well. Do stick around till the end and find out how it turned out. Let me know what you think as well. So yeah, once I'm done with the outline of the design that I want to go, I am going in with my fine liner and filling in the outline. So I'm using this stencil that I got a few months ago. It was the first time I'm using it because it was packed away all this time and I didn't need it, but I thought might as well use it. So after I outlined the rider on the picture, I thought it will give me more clarity as to what I can do, because as I told you previously, I didn't have a plan. It was just me playing along as I went with the designs and the whole outcome of this. So once I was done with that outline, then I went into finishing up the mandala in my pen. So that's what you'll see right now. I would like to ask you guys to let me know what you'd like to see me do in my next few videos, because I do have a few in mind, but I'd also like to see what you guys want to see so I can do something that you like as well. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'll be posting more art and art related content in the future as well. Also, please do excuse my head popping up everywhere on this video because I was doing this video in quite a bit of a rush. By rush, I mean I was alternating between baking a cake and drawing this, although I tried to finish this first and going back to the cake because, once you start drawing a mandala, you kind of have to finish the whole thing in one go, because that's how I prefer to do it, without any distractions. But this day was particularly a bit busier than usual. Yep, so I am doing all the final outlines on with a pen so that I can go in and finish up the designs. I did a quite simple design on this one actually, because I didn't want it to be too complicated, and I also wanted it to be beautiful at the same time. So yeah. I've used very simple fillers to fill up this mandala, because as I told you earlier, I wanted it to be elegant but also very simple at the same time. So once I was done with this half of the page, I realized that I needed to do something on top as well. So I'm doing a half mandala on the top to fill up the page, because that was, although it wasn't the plan going in, I thought it would look better on the paper. So I'm doing the grid for it now, and sketching out the outline for the designs. So once I'm done with the outlining pencil, I'm going in with the pen and finishing out the outline, and then I'll be proceeding on to add the fillers to this side of the mandala as well. Going in with watercolor was a sudden decision. I didn't plan on doing it, but I thought it will look nice, and that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a few shades of blue actually, because I thought that'll look nicer. And yeah, that's what you're seeing here. Adding a few darker shades of blue and then a few lighter shades of blue. Again, sorry about my head popping up and my messy hair. I did want to give the rider a bit of a highlight, so I thought I'll use the darker shade. It was a mix of blue and black, so I'm filling in the whole silhouette with that color so that it's highlighted from the whole image. I think it turned out pretty nice and I really did like the outcome of it. Yeah, so I really liked how the colors complement each other, and also the simplicity of the black lines and the white background of the paper. So once I was done with the coloring and the outlines, I went in with the name, and I just did a quick little name highlight on it, and that's about it. So this is the final piece. Do let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.